like to know how do you feel to be a part of this Education Summit and Education Excellence Awards 2015 organized by Econs Global Solutions?
It is one of the best event which I come across in recent time because I am very fond of attending and addressing such events. It has got a two-way benefit. One, we also learn many things from the speakers who are invited in such event. And second thing, we also try to share our experiences and whatever we are doing with our means and capabilities. So it is a beneficial, and plus there are very few organizations who can dare to invite such a august gathering because the people of this type of stature, they have got the problem of getting time for such events. I enjoy it, and I bless the organizations for more such events in the future.
So we were talking about reforms in education during our session. So any reform that you would want or any suggestion that you would want to give about how to bring about a change in the education system of India?
Yes, very good, because I basically have been in education and professionally set up for last 14 years, and I did some experiments in this higher education so far as management education is concerned. The thing is that we need to encourage a lot of experienced and exposed people to come and join as faculty to motivate and encourage the young minds. Second thing is that the focus now should be on community-based and society need-based education. That what the society expects from higher education in this country. Because what happens, due to dynamics of environment, lot of things are getting changed, and unless we change our system of education also, we will be lagging behind. So the thing is that need-based curriculum, the practical exposure to the students and their involvement to the problem solving must be initiated. It will be very good for our society and the country.
Thank you so much, sir, for being a part of this event. He was Professor Surendra Kala. He was an ex-civil service officer, now turned a management guru. He was also the dean of Garhwal University, and now is a dean faculty at the Delhi School of Business, Delhi University.